Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily outline a person in a video using dotted lines in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is add the video and copy or duplicate it and click on the first video, then click on overlay. So you'll have the same video aligned like this. Now on the overlay here, the one at the bottom, remove the background, click on remove background and just use the auto removal or auto cut. Okay, just wait until it's done. Okay, so after the background is removed, click on stroke and here swipe, then choose the dotted stroke. Okay, you'll have something like this. Just adjust the distance and also the size. After that, you can change the color into the color that you like. I'm going to go with this colors here, this green color. Click on the check icon and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.